Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Oge here, and today I'll be showing you guys my 5-minute toned arm workout. It's just a workout that I use to train my arm to get off that Christian mother arm. The Nigerians, you know what we call Christian mother arm. So yeah, you guys should just watch this video to the end. Remember to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to ring the bell beside the subscribe button so that you'll always get notified. So this workout is totally about my weight loss journey and how I'm trying to lose weight. So do stay with me, and let's get started right now. I'm going to do 10 repetitions of 2 sets each. So let's get down. Now we're going to start with punching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Rest for 10 seconds. Start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And then we do the triceps dip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's go again. My son is here giving me motivation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Whew. You're going to feel it right here. So we are going to go this way now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is a 3 kg dumbbell, so you can totally use any kind of weight you want. 1 kg. You can even fill sand in the bottle and carry. So let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Oh, this is not easy at all. Oh. So we're going to rest again for 10 seconds. this is my 5-minute arm workout. I'm sure it's a little more than 5 minutes, but really I feel so good. My arms on fire. I do this every other day, and try it at home and let me know how it did go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, like this video, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.